Hey, what's up everybody? It's Clayton here at Zappos.com, and today we're checking out the MA900v1 Walking from New Balance. This easy slip-on sneaker is made from a stretch mesh upper. You've got these synthetic overlays at the top there for extra durability. You can see got that easy slip-on design. It allows you to slip your foot right in there for a comfy in and out. And the engineered mesh lining on the inside is going to be super soft against your foot, while that removable EVA footbed is going to give you all-day comfy wear. And as you can see, we've got the Fresh Foam innovative midsole that creates a single piece of foam to provide a plush, more natural ride, and it's going to be nice and stable for you. And on the bottom, we've got that blown rubber outsole that's going to give you lots of grip and extra durability. So you can take out the dogs for a walk around the block and stay comfy and stylish with this sneaker from New Balance.